Okay, so I just opened the box for the media mod for the GoPro 8, and it comes with the media mod and another one of these mounting clips with a thumb screw. So I definitely have enough of these, but I'm really excited. I'm not sure if this is gonna run off the GoPro's battery or not. I have to read the direction. Not quite sure. I think I actually have to charge this, but we'll find out. And I'm going to do some comparisons. I'm going to do a few clips without the mic, which, by the way, this new GoPro 8, it has a mic in the front, and it's 10 times better audio than my 5 was. But I'm going to try to take it up another level. So you got this forward-facing shotgun mic. And then what sold me on this is I was just going to get another Ulanzi rig that I had for my 5. And then I had this Ceramonic mic, you know, with the old adapter, and I could flip it depending on what direction I had the camera, so I could talk into it and still, it could still pick up good audio. But what sold me on this one is not only did they have the forward-facing shotgun mic, but also they got the 3.5 millimeter external mic jack, so I can still utilize this by plugging it in here. So when I'm filming, you know, I'm gonna have real good audio coming from the front, and if I'm, you know, doing whatever kind of filming, you can still pick up my voice from the back. So I'm pretty excited about that. So I'm gonna get this hooked up and see what happens. Okay, so this is with the GoPro sitting on the other side of the table. It's probably 3 foot from me, but this is just the GoPro, how it comes out of the box. So I'll test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3, and then next I'm going to switch and put the media mod on and compare the two. Okay? Okay, and now in the same tone of voice, I put the media mod on, and so I went into the settings and made sure it's on the forward-facing shotgun mic. So we're gonna test that out. 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, I'm talking at a normal voice. I think I may have figured this thing out after all. This is just the standard GoPro 8, the standard audio that comes with your normal GoPro. I just did the same kind of thing with the GoPro media mod on, with the new forward-facing shotgun mic, but this is just the GoPro itself, and I'm trying to talk in the same tone of voice, and I'm just testing the audio. 1, 2, 3. So here we go. This is the comparison that's really going to show me, because I finally figured it out. There was a few things you had to do. So one thing for sure, as awesome as this new GoPro 8 is, it eats up the batteries. So all right, let's go in and review the footage. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. I have the new media mod on for the GoPro 8, so I went in the settings and it's saying it's on the front microphone. I'm talking at a normal tone of voice, and I'm outside, so we're gonna see if I can tell the difference between having the mic on and then just the regular GoPro 8 without the media mod, because to tell you the truth, just the regular GoPro 8 without the media mod, actually, a lot of people always complain about the audio, but so far I've been pretty impressed with that front microphone. that they put on the GoPro itself. So, but right now I'm testing the media mod, the shotgun mic. Testing 1, 2, 3.